Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And we are back in the Tonic Studios basement to bring you a brand new showcase launch. This is the Discreet Drawer die set. So, another new showcase.
Yes.
It's that time of the month again
It
already. Is. Comes around so quickly.
Really does.
Really does. Should we look at the dies first?
Yes, why not?
Let's. So, did I say it right? Discreet Drawer Gift Box die set. Sometimes it's a gift box, sometimes just a die set. I never know. I probably should check before I announce them, but there we go. It is the Discreet Drawer Gift Box die set.
So we do have your die set. Obviously this is a showcase, so it'll come to you with the magnetic sheet and the wallet to go straight into your A4 storage binder. So you get your bit of inspiration on the front there. Die name obviously will be there, and this one is a little bit different. Now you do get your instructions in the pack. Oh, I'm showing you the back, silly me. You get your instructions, you get an idea of what the die does. So your discreet drawer, the discreet bit is the drawer is in the lid. So when you lift the lid, your drawer is inside there. So we'll be showing you that a little bit closer. You can see just on the edge here as well. And these are your dies that make it up. So we've got Top Secret and Shh.
I like that one. So probably sentiments that you're going to want to come back to as well.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of fun sentiments on this one. So that is your die set. So that looks like this. This is the piece that makes your lid.
Yes.
This is the piece that makes your base, obviously. And this is the bit that will, you cut two of these, overlap them, and that will be the thing that holds your drawer. And then this bit here, and these bases here are for your drawer.
Exactly.
So that is how that goes together.
It looks more complicated than it actually is. I know we need to do makes for a lot of things. We will try and get a make for this one done for you, because it looks intimidating because of the angles, but it's not.
No, it's quite a simple one to put together.
Yeah, it is.
I managed this one without any instructions.
Oh, well done.
I know.
Very impressive.
It's not me. I do like an instruction. So shall we show you the ones then that we've made for packaging? Let's show you how discreet your discreet drawer is. Can I move this one over? Okay. There we go.
Put that out there too.
Is that okay there, Cameron? Okay, let's lift this up. And there is your discreet drawer. You just push him out, and there's your drawer. You also, not just the drawer, obviously, you have a gift box as well.
Yeah.
So that is the bigger part of your gift, and then you can pop something small and perhaps gold or silver.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice little bit of jewellery in there, that would be lovely. And that is how that just fits together. I think it's a very, very clever little box. This is obviously a Toby make. Obviously, if you're going to have something that's got something that moves, something that hides, something that turns, we know it's going to be a Toby box. But that is your discreet drawer gift box. So this is one from the packaging. We have another one in the front here. And where's the other one? Is that one?
Yeah. The West Ham colours.
The West Ham. Yeah, so we've got this one here, which, again, you've got Top Secret on this one. Top Secret. Don't tell anyone. And, oh, wow.
Ow.
I was going to say, that wasn't me, was it?
What I like about this, I don't know if you've seen it so far, you've got this interesting top as well. So you've got like the slightly angled in top to it. You've got the little side piece on here as well.
Yes.
To make the line continue up. I like the angles on it.
Yeah. So that is one just made with some quite masculine themed plain papers, I think, on that one. And then the other one that we've got is here, nice West Ham colours and some nice flowers.
Unintentionally.
Just coming down the side there. And we've got on this one. Really good. Love it, love it. Again, you can see that just pushes out quite simply there.
And the drawer section just kind of hugs into that.
Yes, it does.
Central piece in here.
Yes.
And just gives it a really snug fit. It's very clever.
Yeah.
As you would expect. Really.
We made some changes, didn't we, to this because when we had the extra piece for the base glued to the bottom, it was catching and peeling away. So that's why you have this line in the centre here that you just overlap. So you've got no end pieces
file tab,
here.
Isn't it, that fit together, basically?
Yes, it does look like that. But there are no end pieces to peel here. So
nothing to catch.
No, there's nothing to stop that from going straight back in there. So that is your packaging samples.
Okay.
And then we have...
So this one. So this one is from Shilpa.
Beautiful.
Of course it is.
Beautiful papers and beautiful flowers. You can always tell something that comes in from Shilpa. It is absolutely stunning. So let me just pull the lid out on this one. And we've got, all the way around on this one. Nice. And of course there's your little drawer there. Perfect. And straight into the box there. And she's used a little with love going around this one. Is that in the die set? I think that might be from somewhere else.
Yeah, I think that's an extra.
Yeah.
And the butterfly as well. That's in here. But the flowers you've got
the
flowers
are in
leaves.
there. Yes, they are. Okay.
Seen that one?
This one?
That one's lovely. I love the flower on top of that.
That is stunning. Oh, another Shilpa. Obviously, beautiful flowers again. We should know. And a lovely bit of dropage on the top of this one. And this one says top secret. And Shilpa's made this one with some nice pearl cardstock. But the top secret's on the side.
I like that.
Yeah. So you're not... I was trying to push on that first of all.
Yeah.
Wrong one.
I love the layers on that flower though. It's really pretty.
Yeah, the way it's been constructed. Absolutely beautiful.
Lovely.
Gorgeous. Thank you, Shilpa. Beautiful samples as always. This one is from Ruth, and Ruth has done the pattern. So you don't just have the wordings, you do have a pattern as well that matches. So you've got those pattern dies all the way through and then matching through the drawer as well. Al's the only overachiever who's lined the drawer so far.
I know. So we should mention as well that you have this the lovely kind of lily in the pattern.
Yes, you do. There's one more there. If I could have that one. Oh, do you want to put that die back up there as well?
Yeah, I shall do that.
This one's got nice vellum flowers. That's pretty. And hang on. This one is from Shabney's, and Shabney's has gone with a and that lovely drawer there. I'm just going to lift those flowers up, pop them back in. You can always push the drawer out the other way. There's nothing to stop you from going either way with that. A little bit of tissue paper in the bottom. Beautiful.
I think that pattern paper on the front is
yes, it is. So this one is from Christine. And Christine has, again, gone with a Everyone liked that one, I think. Very, very nice. So yeah, that's Christine's one.
Lovely.
Right, can't get my fingernails in there. There we are. Right, so we've got that one as well. Fabulous.
I like that she's lined the top of this too.
Yes, of course, because that can be for there. Good idea. Good idea, Christine. I like that one a lot. Beautiful, and that's using our Shabby Meadow paper pad. Fabulous. And the last one then, a little bit of an outlier here from Ruth. So Ruth has made a flat card, so you can close it down. She's possibly used the draw pieces, unless she's cut a piece.
Maybe.
and popped some just some strips of card going across as well, and layered the flowers up on top of that. So just using the layer, not the actual box piece. So, and that will fold flat to go into an envelope for you.
Very clever.
Yeah, good idea.
Very cute indeed.
There we go.
So that is the Discreet Drawer Gift Box for you. It is available from our website now, so you can go and grab one for yourself. Of course, that does mean that if you're a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you get your 10% TCK discount on that too. And of course, anything else that you add to your basket other than your kit subscription. You can also pay in installments if you need to, using ShopPay, ClearPay or PayPal at checkout. Have a little look at all of the different terms and conditions and see which one works out best for you there. What else do I need to say? I can't read the wall today. No,
can you not?
Right. No.
Oh no.
1 second.
Would you like to tag us in your mix? We love to see what you are making, and you inspire us, you inspire each other, and it's a really, really nice community to share your mix into. And you can pop those into our Tonic Studios official Facebook group, over on Facebook obviously, or if you're using anywhere else on social media, we are at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic.
Indeed. If you have any questions or comments about this launch or about anything else, pop them into the comments below, and one of us will come back and answer those for you. Me, yes. I will come back and answer those for you soon. Hopefully soon. You can also, if you have enjoyed this, please give us a little thumbs up on the video.
Yes, please do.
Make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
So that you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon.
Happy crafting!